Let's take a look at the new Send to Host feature in Krotos Studio. Here we are in DaVinci Resolve. The first thing we need to do is position our playhead on the exact frame we want our sound to be added. We choose a preset in Krotos Studio and perform the sound just like we would any other sound effect. Below the drag recording button, there is now a Send to Host button. All we need to do is click this button and select DaVinci Resolve from the drop-down menu. You will see a notification saying that the recording was sent successfully. If you are using DaVinci Resolve Studio, the paid version of DaVinci Resolve, you will now see the waveform of your sound effect on your timeline. However, if you're using the free version of DaVinci Resolve, there are a couple more steps to follow. Click Workspace at the top of the DaVinci Resolve window, scroll down to Scripts, then click on Krotos Studio Spot to Timeline. The sound effect has now been added to your timeline. You can assign this script to a shortcut on your keyboard for easy access in future. Head to the DaVinci Resolve menu, then click on Keyboard Customization. Here we've chosen F8 on our keyboard. Then we search for the script, press F8, click Assign, and save our changes. Now, once we've performed our sounds in Krotos Studio and hit the Send to Host button, we can then press the F8 button on our keyboard and place the sound exactly where our playhead is.